Hey everyone, my topic is painting using IS code 1200 part 15 1987. This standard IS 1200 part 15 covers the method of measurement of painting, polishing, varnishing, etc. in a building and in civil engineering works. Following are my contents: introduction, components of paint, measurement of painting, materials and its multiple factor. So what is paint? Paint is a solution of pigment in water, oil, or organic solvent used to cover wood or metal articles either for protection or for appearance. For different sectors of different types of paints from different companies are used. Some of the leading companies of India are Asian Paints, Nerolac, Nippons, etc. These are the components of paint: pigment, binder, thinner or solvent, and additives. Like pigments, they are using 25%, and binders or resins, they are used 30%, solvent 40%, and additives, they are used 5%. So following are the measurement of paintings. A painting shall be measured in a always in a square meter. The deduction would consider for opening which is not exceed 0.5 meter square each, and number of additions shall be made for painting to bending, molding edges, jams, soffit, sills, etc. of such opening. There is no painting required. There is no painting will be done for molding edges, jams, soffit, sills, and etc. For steel and iron work, priming coat of paint shall be included. Sir, it is visible, sir. Hello.
Yes, yes, it is visible. Sometimes it is going black and coming, it is coming. No issues.
Yes, maybe because of network issues, sir.
Yeah, yeah, we can go ahead.
Hmm. Small painting in rainwater pipes, soil and ventilation pipes, steel poles should be measured in always in running meter. It is like 1. For steel laurel shutter, it is 1.10 for each side. For plain sheet steel door and windows, it is 1.10 for each side. Fully glazed or gauze steel doors and the windows, it is 1.50 for each side. Then collapsible gate, it is 1.50 for all over painting.
Okay, can you
Yes,
explain
sir.
that? What is it actually? What is that one time, two time, and all? Have you understood what is that actually?
This one, sir.
Yeah, this one.
Sir,
What?
I don't know
You,
exactly, sir.
no, what you understood from this? See, when you have a painting area, okay.
Okay.
So yeah, when
Mm,
you have a grill area or shutter area or something, you may have if
mm,
you take a grill, you may have a face. Like say face means in front side that is face. Okay, you may have
mm.
a side faces in the grill if you take one pipe or a flat. So in the flat section you may have front side, back side, side two sides, thickness of the metal. So these all are there. So how do I measure like this? So I can't measure, right? So if you take a grill like
Okay.
something which is having a floral design or something like crisscross, so many weldings and all, it will be there. So how do I do it?
Mm.
So take the opening area into multiply into 1.5 times, 1.8 times, rolling shutter 1.5 times, collapsible it is 1.5 times. So I can do line that way. They're saying.
So opening area into 1.2 like that.
Yeah. Yes, it's a
Okay.
coefficient. Like
Okay,
say,
sir.
take a door, you may have so much of wooden carvings are there. So
Mm.
that will take so much of time while doing the brushing, while doing the polishing, and that will take so much of time. Painting in the flat surface will be different. In the carving surface, it is different. So they are saying you can take 1.2 times extra. 1.2 times I
Okay, sir.
can pay for that.
Mm. Extra. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, very good presentation. Fine.
Then, sir, it is in code book. It refers the material and its multiplier factor. For parallel or framed or braced in joinery, it takes 1.30 for each side. For flush joinery, it is 1.20 for each side. Plus for flush shutter, it is 1.20 for each side. Full glazed or gauze joinery, it is 0.08 for each side. Sorry, sir. Yes, sir.